Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Wednesday 18th of May and in today's video I'm going to share with you what is my analysis on gold, what are the levels that I'm potentially looking at and what kind of trades I'm also looking for as well. Alright, if you haven't seen the previous video, make sure to do so. There's going to be a pop-up link on the screen right now, and also check out the rest of the videos on this YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe because there's going to be videos just like this one coming out a few times per week. Alright, so what we've got here on gold is a downtrend that could be seen on the hourly time frame, on the higher time frames as well. Okay, so whenever we are in a downtrend, we're only looking for selling opportunities. All right, and what we've seen recently is price pushing down, creating a bottom right around here, and then making a pullback to the 38.2 fib retracement level. Price then rejected that level and began a downside move, right? So best case scenario, ideally what we want to see is, whenever price is trending, we want to see some pullbacks so we can enter a trade in the direction of the trend and expect a continuation. In this case, a continuation lower, right? Since we are in a downtrend. So if that's the case, that would be a very easy entry, and we could expect that the market will eventually reach the next target. And in our previous videos, I've mentioned the next target level that I'm looking for here on gold, and this is 1760. So I think price will reach that level no matter what, and eventually even break below that level. But like I said a minute ago, first we need to find the best entry level where we will have a decent risk to reward ratio and at the same time a high probability entry. Right now, for those of you who have short trades already and entered at a higher levels, I would say keep those trades open, but make sure to go risk-free. Basically move your stop loss to break even, and also lock in more and more profit every time price creates lower structure, which means in a downtrend every time you've got a lower high. Right, so in this case, if there's a trend reversal or something like this, you are protected and you're going to be stopped out at a maximum profit. Okay, now something else, if you've entered on this last pullback right here and you've placed your stop loss just above the reversal, I would say the same thing. Make sure to move your stop loss to break even, and then watch out if price will continue lower or it will come and retest that previous low right here. And as soon as you see some type of a reversal signal, so for example, a long rejection wick candle or maybe an engulfing candle down here, anything like this, I would say close this trade, because what I'm essentially waiting for here on gold is for price to, possibly push slightly lower, come and retest that previous low, and then I think we're actually going to see a deeper pullback. Okay, and I actually think that's going to happen because across the rest of the major pairs we currently have some retracement happening, and I'm also expecting some deeper pullbacks there as well, and that probably means we're going to see one on gold also. All right, so we are still in a downtrend, we're still looking for selling opportunities. However, me personally, I'm going to be looking for those entries at a higher levels such as 1860, maybe even 1850. We'll see about that, but pretty much this 61.8 fib retracement level on this move right here on the hourly time frame, or you could actually see that on the 4-hour time frame as well right here, this last impulse. All right, so as soon as price comes right here and it taps into my desired level, in this case again around 1860, I'm going to be looking for some type of reversal signals, and then I'm going to be looking to take a short trade. Now to me that looks great because it gives me a decent risk to reward ratio. Alright, so I'm going to make my entry here, then I'm going to place my stop loss above that reversal or pretty much above the 1870 level. I'm going to have about $20 of stop loss, and I'm going to be looking for a move with potential profit of about $100 move, all right, from 1860, remember, down to around 1760. Alright, and as you can see, this is a pretty good risk to reward ratio. Whereas if I decide to enter a short trade now, well, I'm gonna have to place my stop loss again above the 1870 level, because that makes sense. Alright, if I place my stop loss above this most recent high, price can easily come over here, stop me out, and then reverse. So this is really frustrating, because you're right in your analysis, but you're still losing money. Alright, that's why we've got to be patient and wait for price to reach a good entry point where, like I said, we can have a good risk to reward ratio and at the same time a high probability entry. Even if that means waiting for a few days, maybe even a week, maybe even a couple of weeks. Alright, because I think this is going to take some time to develop. First, I want to see price coming down here, testing that previous low, and even if that doesn't happen, it will take some time for price to come up here to that 61.8 level, then to see that reversal happening, to enter a trade, and then to wait for this setup to actually complete our target. Okay, so if you are trading the lower time frames, maybe you could have a buying opportunity down here, which to me personally is a bit risky, and I'm definitely not looking for trades like this, plus they are against the main move. But if you are a swing trader looking at the hourly, the 4-hour time frame, something that I personally do, you can then wait for price to reach higher levels around 1850, 1860, then wait for some type of a reversal right here, and then enter a short trade with target 1760 next. And obviously, depending on how this move develops to the downside, we can actually extend those take profit levels. All right, we'll see about that. But that's pretty much what I'm looking for here on gold. Hopefully that helps. If it does, please leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this setup. Hit the thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because like I said, there are more videos coming out each and every week. Also, check out the links below this video. Follow us on social media and join our free Telegram channel if you want to receive daily Forex analysis. Alright, that's all for now. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to watch our last 2 videos where you can find more valuable information. Check out our channel for more trading related videos. I wish you all a successful trading, and I'll see you next time.